Hi, it's Chris. In this video, we're going to show you how to remove and install your water filter. Keep in mind if your machine needs to be repaired, it's usually simple enough to do it yourself. Visit PartSelect.com, enter your model number, and quickly find and order the part you need. So to change your water filter, it's pretty easy. There's no special tools required, and the only thing you may need is possibly have a towel to put just underneath where the water filter is so that when you pull it out, it's going to catch any water that may drip. You'll also want to make sure that you turned off your ice maker before you start to change your filter. To change the water filter in your refrigerator, start by opening the cover and gently pulling the old filter straight out. When installing the new filter, make sure to remove the protective cap with the arrow pointing to the left, insert the filter into the housing, then close the cover. Once you remove and insert the new one, which is empty of water, you're going to be introducing some air into the water line system. So it's a good idea to bleed that out. So to bleed the air, we simply need a couple of glasses, and we're just going to run some water, and you'll see that that air comes through. One of the indications you haven't gotten all the air out is that sometimes this will continue to drip even after you've taken the glass away. Some water will still be trickling out. That's a sign there's still air in the system, and you just need to run another glass of water through. And it's just that easy to change the water filter.